Volume's been cooking. Dang. Okay, so if we do want to continue for upside, say the top of the NWOG, right? So right around 943-ish. But we do have really good LRLR up here, so I almost think if we come that far, we might just run to 25022. Maybe. We'll see. But just a little piece of friendly advice. Do not trade without a hard stop right now. Just saying. Really, really, really would not recommend that at all. Let's see if these are. Let's see if they put these out yet. New Elite Daily. $89 a month. But it's for $109. Oof. I don't know. That might be a little steep. Dude, I thought we'd come in today and this shit would just be like it's totally not. London was quite bearish. Did not expect AM to be this bullish. If that's the case, see, I didn't look at that. Let me look at that. Yeah, so if London was bearish, then actually this doesn't surprise me. I haven't looked enough, I'm sorry. But when we leave behind, we leave behind this Asia high. So we have Asia session liquidity above, right? So the London would be our manipulation, and then New York would be our distribution back up. Somebody was asking me about market profiles. Who was it? Oh, TP Smasher. 25022. I feel like really could be. If we can get this 1 minute order block. Go, competition account, go. Ah. $9.48. So we're the chart is indeed moving, but we are not indeed getting any setups. Indeed. All right, one sec, you guys. Why is war opening up bullish? Is it because people start investing in defense stocks, or is it just like, hell yeah, war just always means money spent? War always means money. Yeah, it is crazy, actually. So, we got this whole run up. Haven't put in a single fair value gap. Except for this 30-second way down here. Oh my gosh. Is this a fair value gap? No way. No way, guys. Take a look at ES. Have a little tiny bearish SMT. It's so small, but love this 9:30 a.m. wick down here. I almost think this gets hit today. So put in this little 30-second order block here. I wouldn't trust it because we just tapped into this 30-second gap that we've bounced out of a few times already. I'll probably wait for us to inverse this 30-second gap. Yeah, that's why. Wow. Was good. Wow. 30-second long here. Oh, I don't know. I'm not trusting a damn thing right now. This is wildin'. But we swept all these LRLR, tapped into this 30-second gap that's been bouncing. We inversed both of these gaps in one candle. So but hopefully this is just a manipulation and we're going to come down. Wow. See if this 30-second wants to send us to break the SMT or not. What's VIX at? 21-ish. Damn. Wow, this is horrible. Did y'all save that website? What website? No. You know what? You know what other website is pretty sick? This one. Let's see. So this is the new trade copier journaling software people that I partnered with. I haven't used it yet, but it's really sick. Trading journal is live. Let's see. Track, analyze, and improve every trade with new trading journal. Your trades are automatically captured from brokers. Here it is. Visual performance with a calendar heat map and equity curve. Uncover behavioral patterns like revenge trading and streak impact. And annotate trades with notes, emotions, ratings, and playbooks. But like here's the calendar, analytics, insights, playbooks, the control room. That's pretty nice, honestly. Copy your rules. So this is how you connect everything. But yeah, I haven't set anything up yet, so I will. Okay, let's see if we want in versus 30-second. How do you get involved in partnership? People they reach out to me. Somebody messaged me today and was like, "Oh, we partner with Bookmap." These guys are trying to make. They want me to partner for. I'm not doing that, dude. I don't use that shit. Okay, this 30-second gap still holding. Thanks, but no thanks. Yeah, exactly. Appreciate it, but no thanks. Yeah, I don't get down like that. We didn't fully close the gap. It's fine. We don't have to. Let's see. So we did fully close the gap on ES, though. So we got one indice that, yeah. Lock the funded kind of PA. Though this is never even logged into the funded PA. So if this 30-second does break, I really don't mind it. We have amazing targets down here. Stop loss isn't like insane. How big is this volume imbalance? 1.7. Okay, so you want to close below the volume imbalance too. Got a 30-second OB with it. No inverse. Wow. It's cool. Really. Bro. What is this? Yikes. Still no. Like, dude, either trigger or go the other direction. I want to go get some coffee, fam. Shit. Dump or pump, man. Dump or pump. Just make a decision. Okay. That's all right. I'm not in a rush. It's good practice to wait. Although, this kind of does look like my chance. What is this doing? So we retested this 30-second OB. Where's my... Right? See if we want to close above this OB or not. Oh, righty then. Well, strongest 30-second gap of all time. Noted. And apparently Trump is doing a bunch of yapping right now. So he's on CNN. So we bounced out of this 30-second gap. We swept these lows. Now we're kind of getting a 30-second order block up. Ow. So there's the 30-second OB. If you're confident in longs and don't care about Trump yapping, could give that a try to this swing high. I don't want any Girl Scout cookies. Pump it. Not seeing it, dude. I'm really not seeing it. I really want this to actually dump. Do like this 1 minute OB as well. So there would be the TP on the 30-second. Holy shit, we got a call out today somehow? Wow. Fire. I mean, shit, 35 points. I'll take it. So you could be out there or scaled most, leave one. But on a day like today, you might want to take your money and go on, take your money and run. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Go on, take your money and market maker. Totally. Good game, dog. What do you mean? Did I get my ass kicked? Oh, damn, I barely won. Oh, shit. Let's go. Fantasy basketball team is on a four-week win streak. Let's get it. Started off so bad. Could be putting in a massive 15-minute OB right here. Didn't even see that. If we put in a 15-minute OB, then yeah. So probably coming to break this bearish SMT right around. I can't get my mouse on the right. 947, 24 947. So we'll see if we want to break that SMT. If we did break that SMT, we'd be putting in another one. A pretty nice bearish SMT, actually. Well, order blocks for the win. So this was actually an OB plus a CISD all in one play, that 30-second. So that was actually a lot better than I thought it was. I didn't notice all that until just now. So we did get the 15-minute OB, but a lot of times likely we will push down a little to rebalance this candle a little bit. I know there's not a gap, but he happens. He happens. Why was it a CISD? I'll tell you why. Yes, I know nobody said that, but so see how we get not only this OB, but this OB, right? So we get this minus OB. Well, when we get this OB, what happens? We push down and sweep the lows, right? Once we get now a candle and an order block that closes above this OB, that's your CISD. Because this OB was used to sweep sell side. Now we get an OB closing above this. That's your CISD. So bang. That would be like, I would be out like most. Ooh. Do we run all this LRLR right now? That would be kind of crazy. So now we have a bearish SMT with ES. There's not really any bearish gaps on ES though, so I don't really know. Ooh. I don't think that this holds for very long, actually. So ES cannot seem to close above this 1 minute gap. So yeah, I would definitely be like, would have gotten out most at the break of the SMT up there. Wow, dude. Guess we know where the draw was with that direction or that rejection. Yeah. True. So what he's saying is basically the way we reacted off getting that sweep It's like confirmation. Okay, there was your draw, right? Because now it's going the other way. But we'll see. I think ES still wants to come for the high, so I'm waiting for that to happen. Oops. As soon as ES closes above this 1 minute gap that's holding down, it'll rip. Should rip. No close there still for ES. It's going to be huge. They're laughing at us. They're all laughing at us. No. We're all just laughing at you, buddy. Oh my God, I just realized something. Is it? Oh, gosh. I never noticed it before. Wow. See if that 1 minute gap is still holding on ES or not. Oh, yeah, it is. So, it looks like we might be getting this bearish SMT to hold. In which case, there is this stack of 3 minutes, but somebody tell me what would be sketchy about trying these 3 minutes if they closed below. What would be something to? Well, I mean, yeah, the combined threes, right? So, but what's the one thing you need to watch out for if you do try that? The 30-second gap, right? Get this big ass 30-second gap. Well, it's not huge, but it's held like a beast multiple times, right? So now your entry is exactly where we keep bouncing out of. The only thing that would give you some confidence is, well, we swept high of day again and we have a bearish SMT. So So, low key. Okay, maybe not. Dude, is this real? What the hell is this? Bro. So ES pushed down, tapped into this 1 minute, pushing up through this 1 minute bearish gap. Still have this 1 minute above that ES has been getting destroyed out of. Wild, bro. If we just actually come up and pop and take high day again, that'd be crazy. If take high of day and short would be even higher probability with good rejection. I think if we take high of day again, then we just keep pumping. The only way I would take a short now, Trump's scheduled to start speaking at 11. I thought he already was. He already was. little 2 minute confirmation setup. If you don't mind trying to target a protected high, totally up to you. I think I'll pass. Oops. Hop over to ES again. I'm really watching this 1 minute on ES because if this 1 minute on ES breaks, it should pump again. I don't know why I have MNQ up. Got a devil's mark on the 10 a.m. candle. Dollars Americana. Next up, dollars Americana. Ooh. So it looks like we might want to inverse this. Just kidding. We don't want to inverse literally anything. Gotcha. Gotcha. I was going to say this 1 minute. I know there was no sweep, but it doesn't look terrible. Why? Because we swept the high up here. After sweeping the high, we put in these FEGs, right? So if we put bearish FEGs in after sweeping buy side and those FEGs start getting respected, that to me starts signaling market structure shift, right? Because we're starting to respect bearish gaps rather than bullish gaps. But right now we're just respecting basically everything. So it's really fun, I guess. Gonna step off for the day. Have a good one, guys. Probably smart. Probably smart. Little doggy. Lives will be changed today. What do you mean by that, Lucid? What do you mean by that? What do you mean lives will be changed today? What are you saying? What are you doing? What do you got planned? Yeah, I really want this 3 minute to trigger. Call me crazy, but I really want this 9:30 wick today. I know. Call me crazy, but I don't know why. I really want that 9:30 wick today. Not tomorrow. Not the day after tomorrow, but like today. Oh, I see. I gave a downside target. Now we're gotcha. Makes sense. ES. Okay, ES is finally about to close over that 1 minute. Let's see if that means we pump. ES finally broke that 1 minute, so and then at the same time as breaking that 1 minute, we closed above both of these 1 minute gaps on NQ. So if for some reason this just starts dumping after this triggers, then this is absolutely cooked. It's wild that this is gonna work, but it's like, who's actually gonna take that? I doubt anybody. Well, that's a big candle, huh? No way, Jose. uh, so, getting a 15-minute prop block is what it looks like. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. All right, I know I was saying I don't know who would actually take that, but I did. just on that Ninja Trader account. Wow. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna keep ripping. Crazy, bro. I did not think that was gonna work. Like, we didn't even put in a bullish SMT or anything. We literally just, as soon as ES broke that 1 minute gap, it was just like, that was it. It was all we needed for lip pump. So it looks like our upside targets might be the draw, which would start with 25022. But let's find a spot that we can reject from first. Oh, wait a minute. Alrighty. I just realized it's 8:15 almost, so kind of honestly a shit day as far as actual trades, but I mean, still read the market okay today, I guess. So, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. Be safe.